welcome back to episode of Kobe's Garage. Hope you guys have an amazing day. As you guys see behind me, I just hit my car. I literally just hit my car. But that doesn't matter. We got Hulk back. That's what I'm trying to say. We got Hulk back. This is my C7 Z06, aka Orange Hulk. Basically, it was a full bolt-on car last year. We had a little bit of an issue on a runway, and the top pulley kind of disintegrated. So besides like just fixing that small pulley and still running with my same setup, I decided kind of buy a Pro Charger, a flex fuel kit, a drag pack, a this, a that, a stage 3 BTR cam kit. I'll put a video of that in right now. Obviously that sounds really good, but we went a little bit crazy. But the good news is it's back, and it made some crazy power. You guys can probably figure out what this thing makes. I like keeping it a secret because I do race a lot. Not on the streets, on the strip. Here's a video of that. PG. But today's video is about Extreme Online Store. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff. Honestly, I can't say thank you to them enough. They've supported this channel, and I can't say thank you enough. So everybody go check out Extreme Online Store. They make carbon fiber parts for basically anything really built in this world for cars, all the way from, you know, Ford, Chevy, Dodge. Actually, Corvettes wise, they have a lot. They have C5, C6, C7, C8. So go check them out. And even if any of those cars I didn't name, just still go check them out, see if they have something for your car, because they have a pretty wide range of products available. So I actually have a set of carbon fiber side skirts on my C6 Z01. Yes, it's in pieces. She's seen better days, but Ultron will live again. It's getting a built motor, which hopefully will be done in the next month or so. But it's not about that right now. We're in C7 land. As you guys can see, I have a set of nice carbon flash side skirts from OEM. They're nice and everything, but they're nothing compared to these. These are so cool. Look at them. Look at the carbon weave on that. The quality is absolutely perfect. And if anybody's wondering, like, oh, he's just promoting it because he's got sponsored. No, I wouldn't promote anything that isn't A1. And I literally bought a splitter from them before they even sponsored me. And look at this. This is 2 years old and it still looks absolutely perfect. This isn't, you know, turn green carbon after like 2 years. Like, it's not like that or anything. Or even I've seen some people's carbon just turn green after like 2 weeks from just sunlight. So this is OEM, literally OEM carbon. You can't tell a difference to this. This carbon is literally A1. So shout out to Extreme Online Store. That's why I have it on. You can't see it on that car, but I got it on this car too. You can't go wrong with them. Go check them out. But we're gonna do a little video of how to put the side skirts on. So I'm gonna start up Hulk, turn it around, and get this thing chopping. So I will see you guys in a minute. Okay. So I'm just going to put the skirt like that. You're in. Okay, good.
Okay. Okay.
First side is done, so we're gonna switch the car around and we will do the other side. See you in a minute. Put that bolt in. Perfect. What a shot, Mitchie.
They're like, I am nice here.
Well, everybody, the final product's beside me, so let's check it out. This is what it looks like on the car in the sunlight. I just washed the car, but yeah, it looks really, really good. I would say that's OEM. That's literally the same weave as right here, which is OEM carbon from GM. I don't know, that's a big thing to me. If you're gonna buy carbon for a car, is it gonna look like the OEM ones? And this one does. So shout out to Extreme Online Store. If you guys haven't, go check them out. They support my channel, so let's go support them. I'm really appreciative of them sending me stuff to do videos on and showcase you guys, and I support this product a lot. As funny as that sounds, I really do. Like, it's just literally perfect all the way from, like, even right here, it looks perfect, all the way to right here. I couldn't be happier with it. Like, the weave and everything is just, I can't stop saying it's perfect, because it really is perfect. You go even to the other side, it's a little messy because I washed my car, but still, both of them 100% the same. Perfect. You don't have the much sunlight here, but still absolutely perfect. If you guys haven't, go check them out if you want a splitter for your Corvette. Personally, I think it's my favorite. They're priced really, really good, and even the side skirts are priced really, really good for OEM quality. So if you guys like this, like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out Extreme Online Store. And if you haven't, get ready, because I got my ZR1 coming. So like, subscribe, a lot of cool stuff coming soon. Catch you in the next one.